You can take it. It's actually not that bad.
It's not.
It's nice. Like, cool. I can breathe. I hate the heat. Too much heat drives me crazy. I fall asleep. Makes me sick to my stomach.
Yeah, I'm like, my temperature range has always been like high 30s to like low 60s. That's what I've always been, even 70s for that matter.
I would love if it was all year round between 45 and 75.
Oh, I wouldn't mind that at all.
45 to
I would not mind that at all.
would be like...
One good snowfall, but other than that, keep it within that range.
When it was so warm and we weren't getting any rain, I said, shoot, I'm in California. There was no humidity, no rain, the sun was shining every day. It's like, yeah.